Hey guys, I'm Izzy, and I was looking on YouTube because I got bored and I wanted to see how many other people could do it, but I was looking for people that can, like, purr, and I actually have that talent. Like, my dad, when I was younger, he used to purr to me all the time, and over time I just kind of picked it up, and so now it's fairly easy for me. The only other thing that I have on right now is my space heater, so I'll turn that off so you guys can hear me. But it's just something that I've been able to do most of my life. But yeah, weird talent.